Good day, everybody. How are you doing, my friends? Today we are going to have a quiz on a calculus for data science problem. So I'll give you some time to work on that problem. In the meantime, I'll solve another problem for you. So here I go. The quiz problem is find the derivative with respect to x. It's tan inverse u. Just a small so this should be, I'll correct it. This should be tan inverse u inside the parenthesis. This is the problem which I'll give you some time to work on. And I will myself work on this second problem, the practice problem. Find the derivative with respect to x square root of x4 plus 2x. Okay, so let's do this practice problem. So we'll do the solution for the practice problem. The solution for the practice problem. And in the meantime, you can try the first problem, which is derivative with respect to x tangent inverse of u. So solution for the practice problem. Okay. So we are required to find out derivative with respect to x. So we can write derivative with respect to x instead of square root of x4 plus 2x, we can write x4 plus 2x raised to the power of half. Okay, so please do not quit because I will solve the quiz problem at the end of this presentation. And this will be written as so equal to half x4 plus 2x. So we are using the chain rule of derivation. Half minus 1. So it is minus half. This minus half exponent comes because when we derive to the derivative, it is exponent minus 1. Okay. And then we have to do the derivative with respect to x of x is 4 plus 2x. Okay. So this will become equal to half x4 plus 2x to the power of minus half. Again, minus half is because half minus 1. 1 is greater than half. So subtract half from 1, which is half. And then since the 1 carries a negative sign, we'll put the negative sign in front of minus half. Okay. Now the derivative with respect to x of the expression x4 plus 2x is inside parenthesis 4x cubed. Derivative of x4 with respect to x is 4x cubed plus 2. Okay. Now this can be written as x4 equal to x4 plus 2x to the power of minus half. And then we have the half. So we will multiply or by half or divide by 2 each of the term in the second expression by 2. So ultimately the answer is x4 plus 2x raised to the power of minus half, and then it is 4 divided by 2 is 2x cubed plus 1. So this is our final answer. This is the answer. So summarize what I did is I did the derivative of x4 plus 2x to the power of half with respect to x. I use the chain rule of derivative. So because of the exponent half, the first derivative of x with respect to x of the expression will be half. The exponent originally it had is half, x4 plus 2x, and then half minus 1 is minus half. And then I do the derivative with respect to x of the inside expression inside the parenthesis x4 plus 2x, which is 4x cubed plus 2. Now remember the half, it is as if I multiply by half each term in the second expression, 4x cubed plus 2, or second expression in the second parenthesis. So it is 4x cubed by 2 plus 2 divided by 2. The final answer is the derivative with respect to x of the given expression is x4 plus 2x to the power of minus half multiplied by 2x cubed plus 1. So before I leave, let's solve the quiz problem. How will you do the quiz problem? Did you give it a thought? Let's do it this way, okay? Let's do it the second problem. So let me create some space for myself. Okay. So I'm required to find out, so I will do the quiz problem. The quiz problem. Did you get a chance to think about it? We are required to find out d derivative with respect to x of tangent inverse u. Okay. So we can do that is let v is equal to tangent inverse u. Okay. Which leads to u itself is tangent of v. Okay. So we have we have du derivative derivative of u with respect to x is equal to secant derivative of tangent of v with respect to v is secant square v, and this is and then we have dv by dx, derivative of v with respect to x. Okay. Now for secant square v, we can write du by dx is equal to 1 plus tangent square v dv dx. Okay. Now we already showed you that u is equal to, remember this step, u is equal to tangent square x, so du by dx is equal to 1 plus u square dv by dx times dv by dx. Okay, let me write that clearly. Dv by dx. Okay. Now in the problem, we have to find out, this is after we make this substitution, then we have to find out what is dv by dx, because v itself is tangent inverse of u. So what is dv by dx? okay, to find. Okay, so from this expression, we can divide both sides by 1 plus u squared. Let me move this a little bit up. So dividing, let me write this step over here. Dividing both sides by 1 plus u squared, we get 1 over 1 plus u squared times du by dx is equal to 1 plus u squared divided by 1 plus u squared times dv by dx. Okay. So if we get rid of 1 plus u squared term from the numerator and denominator on the right hand side, what do we get? We get uh, we get dv by dx is equal to 1 plus u square in the denominator, 1 plus u square, that is 1 divided by 1 plus u square times du by dx. Now our goal is to find out dv by dx because we called tangent inverse of u as v. So hence we have found our answer. Okay. And so this is the answer for the quiz problem. Again, we substituted for tangent inverse of u as v. So our goal became dv by dx. That is what we have to find out as shown here. Okay, we have to find what is dv over dx. Now u is equal to, from the definition of inverse ratios. So if v is equal to tangent inverse u, then tangent of v is equal to u. Now we do the derivative of both sides with respect to x. So du over dx is equal to derivative of tangent v with respect to v is secant square v. Again, chain rule um, of differentiation. So derivative of tangent v with respect to v is secant square v times dv over dx. Now, what is secant square v? It is 1 plus tangent square v. Why did I do that substitution? Because I know the value of tangent of v is u. So it becomes du over dx is equal to 1 plus u square times dv by dx. Remember, our goal is to find dv over dx, derivative of v with respect to x. So we divide both sides by 1 plus u square, and hence we get dv by dx is equal to du dx times 1 over 1 plus u square. Again, if you have any question, do not hesitate to write me a note. I definitely will answer. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel where I've solved all kinds of math problems just for you so that you become the greatest in math. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. This really motivates me to produce more videos just for you and let YouTube know that you like to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please do not forget to watch me tomorrow when I will upload another video. Okay. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you.